You can get some different plants, and I think I might kind of want to get one because they have so many pretty. Let me not forget my marjorie. You have all these cute little plants. I just love it. I love it. Okay, and they have cute little gift shops. And I love this, by the way.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
We're going through this bit here. We're going this way. It's so pretty. See all the birds. It looks so cool. Orange flowers. They literally represent me and my soul. So pretty. We have more orange flowers over there. Can you see? It's giving orange blossom actually. I just love places like these because it's literally like a reflection of my soul. Like if you could pull my soul out, this is some of the things that you would endure.
Safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care. Trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to be a warrior.
Can show them the flowers. These flowers are so pretty.
What it will be up in front of me.
It's so pretty. Look.
Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on. Okay.
Hey guys, so today we're going to Reading to go to the AYS at Reading Central. And we're going to stand up and I'm just doing my makeup. Like I did a whole different like makeup today and I'm feeling it, I love it. I'm using the foundation. And it just looks so good. But yeah, I'm gonna get my outfit on and then we're gonna go. I also really want to get some Uggs. Like I hope I get some Uggs today because I broke mine. Hey guys.
Are you joking? Man's filming.
Yeah. Hey, and it's me. Finished our Nando's meal. I didn't get to record today.
Wait, can I look into it?
Yeah.
This is well.
It looks like that when it's in it. And then like with Gloria they just Anisha, Aliyah. So gorgeous. Gorgeous girls. Yeah.